and welcome to the first day of 13 days of horrible crafts and even scarier stories. This series will consist of 13 days of crafty goodness and our dearly departed Edgar Allan Poe. A brand new tale of woe, and I don't just mean the crafts, will grace your screens every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in October at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please subscribe so you can enjoy all 13 days. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the tale of Annabelle Lee. It was many and many a year ago, in a kingdom by the sea, that a maiden there lived whom you may know by the name of Annabelle Lee. And this maiden she lived with no other thought than to love and be loved by me. I was a child, and she was a child, in this kingdom by the sea. But we loved with a love that was more than love, I and my Annabelle Lee, with a love that the winged seraphs of heaven coveted her and me. And this was the reason that long ago, in this kingdom by the sea, a wind blew out of a cloud, chilling my beautiful Annabelle Lee, so that her high-born kinsman came and bore her away from me, to shut her up in a sepulchre in this kingdom by the sea. The angels, not half so happy in heaven, went envying her and me. Yes, that was the reason, as all men know, in this kingdom by the sea, that the wind came out of the cloud by night, chilling and killing my Annabelle Lee. But our love, it was stronger by far than the love of those who were older than we, of many far wiser than we, and neither the angels in heaven above, nor the demons down under the sea, can ever dissever my soul from the soul of the beautiful Annabelle Lee. For the moon never beams without bringing me dreams of the beautiful Annabelle Lee, and the stars never rise, but I feel the bright eyes of the beautiful Annabelle Lee. And so, all the night tide, I lie down by the side of my darling, my wife and my bride, in her sepulchre there by the sea, in her tomb by the sounding sea. I do sincerely hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to see the rest of the series, please stick around by clicking that red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so much for watching, and you will hear me in the next one. Take care.